And it goes a little something like
You all summer and after party. You all summer and after party.
Hello guys, I'm unboxing my ring light. I just got my ring light for the first time. I'll be doing my video without ring light. I use natural light to do my video. I just got my ring light now. Oh yes. My ring light is here. I just brought it out. From the inside this one. And the tripod is here. And this is the tripod. The tripod is here. Let me just bring it out. Yeah. My tripod is here. Wow, wow. Try to fix it, and after fixing it, I'm going to show you guys. I have a ring light and a tripod to be fixing my. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited for bossing my tripod, my ring light. I'm bossing my ring light. Wow. Let me just fix it. Let me fix it. I have fixed the tripod. The ring light is ready. I can make it long now. From now, I can do it as I want. Wow. if I tell you guys the way I'll be doing my video, you will laugh. What I put before to do it, I will set it before I will sit down to start making video. I will be setting I will be setting it so now I can keep my whatever I want to use to video. I will keep it here. I can keep my phone here or camera, anything. I will just keep it here. Then here we go. Now again, yeah, you see it. The head of it came from here. Yeah, I'll show you before. And the other ones, this one here, I bring it out. Where is the? Yeah, this one. I brought it out from this place. So now, now I cannot carry my tripod. I can make it small. I can make it big, long, anyhow I want it. I can make it like that. I can make it long or short.